Welcome as we work out this maths problem within the shortest time possible. So we are asked to find the value for x. So let's now start with our solution. So on the solution side, assuming that we have, for example, a to the power of m, then multiply by a to the power of n. So this one we can work it out as a to the power of m plus n. So similarly, when you have now 8 to the power of x, then multiply by 8 to the power of x. So this one now can be worked out as 8 to the power of x, add to x. So the results now shall now have it as 8 to the power of 2x. So that is to mean that now we shall now have it as now 8 to the power of 2x is equals to 80. So the first step that we need to do, we need to introduce the log on both sides. So here now we shall now have the log of 8 to the power of 2x is equals to the log of 80. Then the next thing now is to say that when you have, for example, the log of p to the power of k, so this one now can be worked out as k, the log of p. So here now we shall now have 2x, the log of 8, is equals to the log of 80. So next, for us to simplify this maths problem, whereby we get the answer into its simplest form, we need to divide both sides by the log of 8, so that now we remain with 2x, so that now the log of 8 and the log of 8 shall cancel out, so that now we shall remain with 2x to be equals to the log of 80, then all over our log of 8. So for us to proceed, we shall now have this one as now 2x is equals to, so the log of 8 can be written as the log of 8 multiplied by 10, then into bracket all over the log of 8. So when you have, for example, the log of a multiplied by b, so the result shall be the log of a plus the log of b. So here now we shall have it as 2x to be equals to, so we shall now have the log of 8 plus the log of 10, then all over the log of 8. So all over the log of 8. So the next step is now 2x to be equals to, so divide both sides by the log of 8, so all over the log of 8, then plus, so the log of 10, then all over the log of 8. So now 2x is equals to, so log 8 and log 8 shall cancel, so now we shall have 1 plus, so in this case now we shall now have the log 10 can be written as the log of 5 multiplied by 2, then into bracket all over the log of 8. So now we shall now say that 2x still is equals to, so 1 plus, so here now shall have log 5 plus the log of 2, then as we shall have agreed that both sides shall divide by the log of 8. So when you have, for example, the log of a all over the log of b, so this one now shall have it as the log of a to the base of b. So that means that now our final answer shall be 2x here, so here now 1 plus, so in this case now we shall have the log of 5 to the base of 8, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 8. So for us to remain with x, because we are looking for the value for x, so divide both sides by 2, then all of this by 2. So that now we shall work it out by saying that 2 by 2 now shall cancel, so now we shall remain with x, so we shall say that x now shall be equals to 1 plus the log of 5 to the base of 8, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 8, then all of this we shall say that all over 2. So when you work out this value by 2, so the result or the answer that shall get shall be, now the value for x is equals to, so now shall have 1 over 2, then plus the log of 5 to the base of 8, so in this case now shall have it as 1 over 2, the log of 5 to the base of 8, then plus, here now shall also have it as 1 over 2, the log of 2 to the base of 8. So now these are now qualifies to be almost correct and the best answer when we have simplified the correct answer for this maths problem. So if you've learned so far on how we worked it out, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel.